Welcome back to Financial Journey, your trusted companion on the road to a brighter financial future. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that can make all the difference in your financial life: emergency funds. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay updated on your journey to financial security. What is an emergency fund? Let's start with the basics. An emergency fund is like your financial safety net. It's a stash of money set aside for unexpected, emergencies. These can be things like medical bills, car repairs, or sudden job loss. Having an emergency fund means you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans when life throws you a curveball. Why is having an emergency fund so important? Well, life is unpredictable, and emergencies can happen to anyone at any time. Here's why you need one. Financial security. An emergency fund provides peace of mind, knowing that you're financially prepared for unexpected expenses. Avoiding debt. It helps you avoid going into debt when faced with unforeseen bills. High-interest debt can be a financial burden. Stress reduction. Knowing you have a financial cushion reduces stress during tough times. Quick recovery. It allows you to bounce back faster from setbacks like a job loss or a medical crisis. So, how much should you save in your emergency fund? A common rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, but it can vary based on your individual circumstances. If you have dependents or an irregular income, you might want to save more. Where to keep your emergency fund? Your emergency fund should be easily accessible, but not so accessible that you're tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. Consider keeping it in a separate savings account or a money market account. These accounts offer a bit of interest and ensure you can access your funds quickly when needed. Building your emergency fund can be done step by step. Start by setting a monthly savings goal. Even if it's just a small amount, the key is to be consistent. Cut unnecessary expenses and direct the money into your fund. As your income grows, increase your savings contributions. What qualifies as an emergency? It's important to know what qualifies as an emergency. It's not for things like a new smartphone or a vacation. Emergencies are unexpected and necessary expenses that impact your well-being or financial stability. These could include medical bills, car repairs, home repairs, for example, a leaking roof, job loss or sudden income reduction, legal fees only if it's critical, unforeseen travel for family emergencies, replenishing your fund. It's essential to get back your emergency money after using it. Think of it as a personal loan. Plan on rebuilding it gradually so that you'll be ready for the next disaster. Additionally, it can teach you a lot about financial responsibility. The peace of mind of having an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund isn't just about money, it's about peace of mind. It's knowing that you have a safety net to catch you if you fall. It's about feeling secure and in control of your financial future. So start building your emergency fund today, no matter how small it may be. It's a step towards a more stable and stress-free financial journey. That's a wrap for today's episode on Financial Journey. We hope you've grasped the importance of having an emergency fund. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on your journey to financial security. Share this video with your friends and family so they too can start their own financial journey with confidence. Remember, having an emergency fund is a small step that can make a huge difference in your financial life. See you in the next video.